Some members of Nigerian Union of Petroleum and Gas Workers for Rivers State NUPENG don block road to the Nigerian Security and Civil Defense Corps for Olu Obasanjo Road for one we no go gree waka to ask for the return of their Premium Motor Spirit PMS wey dem seize, and say the Rivers State Commandant of the Corps dey always sell their products wey dem seize. The leader of the group, Ola Oluwa, tok say for last year, they first come arrest and carry their tankers wey dey loaded with fuel and come sell all the fuel wey dey without dem no send them, and say dem come still change the color of their tankers so that dem no go know them again. E come call on the ogas dem wey dey in charge of the Nigerian Security and Civil Defense Corps to call on the Rivers State Commandant to order.
Civil Defense Commander, he has been selling our products, sold our product. Whenever he arrests our member, petroleum tanker driver, he will arrest them unlawfully and detain them. After detention, he will now take their way bill to court and sell the product. So what happened last year August, thereabout, Operation Seek arrest our vehicle. I parked this vehicle in their yard, and we follow it up because we are law-abiding union. So we follow it up. After some time, court released this product for us. So on getting there, for we to come and carry our truck, we now learned that this particular man, being the Oga, the headman, the Civil Defense Commander here, he has sold the product. He has sold the product and sold the truck, pitching the truck to another color. So that is why we say no. And the tanker driver, we know that whenever we are hungry, we know that masses will normally suffer it, and we know what is happening concerning subsidy now. We don't want to hide our own. That is why we are calling the state government, and we are calling the NSCDC Civil Defense General Commander to come to our rescue. And we also call on President of newly president to come to our aid.
The talk person wey represent the Nigerian Security and Civil Defense Corps, Olufemi Ayodeji, tok say the Nigerian Security and Civil Defense Corps received the go-ahead to sell the product from court sake of say the product fit catch fire.
In response to the allegation against the NSCDC Rivers State Command, which has to do with the forfeiture of the content in 3 trucks that were impounded sometimes last year, the Joint Task Force, which includes the Nigerian Army, DSS, Nigerian Police, NSCDC, Nigerian Navy, impounded the truck and the trucks rather, and it was officially handed over to us by the Nigerian Army. NSCDC being the lead agency in safeguarding critical national assets and infrastructure, and sequel to that, we approached the High Court for the forfeiture of these contents. Reason being that the contents are PMS, Premium Motor Spirit, and is highly inflammable. So in order not to cause any hazard or disaster, we approached the court, and the forfeiture procedures was granted, and the forfeiture was carried out. Before it was also carried out, we made an advert to the general public to be aware that such action is about to be taken, and we published it in Punch and other local newspapers. So it was very embarrassing and very alarming to see the NUPENG blocking the entrance to the state command this morning, showing their grievances. As we are speaking here, a high-power delegation of the NSCDC is on seat, and the management of NUPENG are also on seat, trying to see how they can sit amicably and resolve the matter.
From Rivers State, A. Carter Ojesili, TMC TV News.